Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to fix cannot install WhatsApp from Google Play Store. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to open your Play Store and then click on the top right corner your profile icon and select you just need to select settings. Right now select network preference, and here you can see there have an option app download preference. Just open it, and right now you just need to select over any network. Select it and select OK. So right now let's back and open your phone settings, and you just need to find out apps or apps management. So I find apps, just open it, select manage apps, and then you just need to find out Play Store. So here you can see, just open it and select clear data, select clear cache, and then OK. That's it. After doing that, you can easily install WhatsApp from your Play Store. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.